So the slide there just shows on the right-hand side the sort of things that in the normal world, how you would sort of deal with a problem going from negotiated conversation up all the way up to litigation. And then on the left-hand side, we have how we do it in the army. So at the bottom level is low-level conflict resolution. And in the army, we're generally really, really good at low-level conflict resolution. We have people who are taught to be leaders, we've got people who are taught to be managers, and generally they're pretty good at that. Our real issue is that when that doesn't work, the only thing a soldier in the army knows how to do is to jump straight up to putting a service complaint or formal complaint in. There is nothing between that sort of low-level manager resolution and that service complaint. Well, there is, but the soldiers don't know about it, and that is mediation. So, for those that don't know what mediation is a process in which a trained, independent, impartial third party helps two or more people to have a conversation they've been unable to have effectively before. So basically, it is where two people are having problems, a manager has gone in and tried to sort it out, and as we know, you have two people in a team having an issue, the manager sits down with them, and both people will be sitting there going, yeah, you can't sort this out because you're biased towards the other person, you favour the other person. And it's really difficult for the manager to unlock that problem. So mediation is where people come in externally to try and resolve the problem so there can be no allegations of bias. In the army, there are four main principles we have. First of all, it's voluntary. Mediation is a service that both parties have to voluntarily agree to. In some organisations, mediation is not voluntary, and in order to go through a complaints process, you have to agree to mediation in the first place. In the army, it's not as completely voluntary. And this is absolutely unique in the army because everything else in the army, soldiers are told what to do. So when you speak to a private soldier on the phone and go, yeah, it's up to you. You choose if you want to do it. They're not used to having that choice. It's completely impartial. So as I said, the people involved in the mediation process will come from outside the unit, that have no relationship with either of the parties or anyone within the unit, so it can be seen as being completely impartial. It's confidential. So everything that happens in that mediation stays in that mediation. So it is a safe space for those two people to have a conversation. They can't walk out of the room and one of them goes, well, I'm going to make a formal complaint because of what was said in the mediation. Absolutely not. It's just between those two people in that room. One issue we're having a real problem with at the moment is the mediation finishes and then the line manager goes, well, can I have a report, please, so that I can write out what happened in mediation. Absolutely not. The only thing that the line manager will be told is if the mediation is a success, a partial success, or not a success. And that's all that the line managers will get out of it. And finally, it's self-determining. And this is one of the strongest things about mediation, is the fact that the mediators don't go in there and tell the parties what to do. The mediators go in there and they facilitate a conversation so the two parties come up with the process and come up with the solutions themselves.